花今天在有市里面儿
啊？外面吗？不是。
Fourth day in Chinese New Year. Everybody is out on this Zhonglou街, Bell Tower Street. This 1,000 years old history was the city center since 1,000 years ago. Now, last year, it went through the biggest renovation in its history. Now you can see how popular it is for the people who live in Taiyuan. A lot of Laozihao time-honored brands. They're invited back to this street. Like this New Balance. 大宗寺 Dazhong Market. It's all new. It's over 100 years old Chinese tea shop. In Taiyuan, most popular tea is jasmine tea. Once you come inside, you can smell the jasmine tea right here, right now. Quite expensive. This is 980 yuan for half a kilo. That's over 150 US dollars for half a kilo of jasmine tea. Chinese courtyard house now turned into like a gift shop. All kinds of Shanxi arts and crafts. Like I can see the paper cutting. The Year of Tiger. Jewelry boxes. The embroideries. Old courtyard house, privately owned by a Jin family, Jin merchant family. Now it receives thousands visitors on a daily basis. Wanghuo, flourishing fire. This is a tradition, a custom in Shanxi Province. People build up a big fire like this for a better new year. There are many alleyways with very interesting names. In old times, a lot of same industry on one alley. So this alley called the Xuexiang Boots Alley. So 100 years ago, when you need a boot, this is the street you should be. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Queue on the street. This is a 100 years old restaurant selling yuan xiao, Lao Shu Ku, 元宵，老苏克元宵。元宵 is sweet rice dumpling. In 10 days later is the Lanterns Festival. People in China and families gonna eat this food all together. The symbol of a family reunion. Rebuild Zhonglou. Zhonglou is the bell tower. In old China, this was like a timing machine. There was no clock or no watches. This is the only place you know what time of the day.